Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about. Hello friends, let us now learn about prostaglandins and their effect on platelet action. So if you see prostaglandins and their effect on platelet action, they are of two types. One, we have anti-aggregatory prostaglandins, and second we have pro-aggregatory prostaglandins. Okay, anti-aggregatory prostaglandins include PGI2, PGD2, whereas pro-aggregatory prostaglandins include thromboxane A2, PGH2, PGG2. And if you see the PGE2, with PGE2 you will see variable effects are seen with PGE2. Thank you for watching. Thank you, and thank you for watching.